What's up, guys? How we doing today? My name is Patrick Sasser. I'm a teacher at the Columbia Area Career Center. I've been doing this for a long time, but before I was teaching, I was a middle school student at West Junior High doing the West Walk way back in 1998. Anyways, as I was doing that West Walk, I remember I couldn't wait until I got to high school and I could have the freedom to take whatever classes I wanted and kind of do things at my own pace and with my own schedule. And I was super excited to do that, as I'm sure you guys are. What classes are you guys excited about taking when you get to high school? CTE classes? Yeah. Well, wait, what is CTE? Well, that's what I'm here to talk to you guys about today. CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. So that's all the things we do at the Columbia Area Career Center. I'm going to show you guys a video right now that kind of details more about what is CTE.
Everyone wants kids to be ready to take on the real world, right? So what's the secret? Say hello to CTE. CTE is Career Technical Education. Maybe you've never heard of it, but CTE gives learners an academic foundation along with technical skills and hands-on experience in a whole bunch of different areas to help them get ready for the real world. Think of CTE as a high school experience, but with even more value because it fills a big gap for a lot of students. In fact, CTE learners and their parents are 3 times as likely to say they're very satisfied with the ability to learn real-world skills as part of their education as compared to non-CTE learners and their parents. And since over 75% of CTE learners enroll in post-secondary education after high school, CTE is definitely creating a path to college and career success. And get this, they have a graduation rate over 10% higher than non-CTE students. Did you know 89% of parents think students should receive more education about career choices while in high school? That's where CTE comes in. Think about it. Is it better to experiment with career choices when you're paying money to do so in college? Or should it happen in high school so students know a lot earlier whether a career option is the right fit? The answer is fairly obvious, don't you think? Now let's talk about why CTE is good for business and industry. It's pretty simple. Companies want skilled employees, and they're having a hard time finding them, which can cost a company money in lost productivity. Enter CTE. 6 of the 10 hardest to fill positions are in technical fields or require a CTE background. In fact, about half of all CTE learners are enrolled in programs in leading fields such as healthcare, STEM, and information technology, matching employer needs with student passions. CTE programs directly connect learners in high school and post-secondary with employers through internships, apprenticeships, and other meaningful on-the-job experiences. When it comes to CTE, more than twice as many CTE parents report being satisfied with internship opportunities. That means a lot of doors are being opened for kids. So here's the bottom line. Parents want their kids to find a career they can be passionate about. Kids want the same thing. And when you think about the real world, what could be better than having learners enter a field they know is right for them with a ton of hands-on experience? It's all possible thanks to CTE. CTE, learning that works for America. To learn more, visit careertech.org.
You may not know it, but everything that you just saw in that video is stuff that we do at the Columbia Area Career Center. Isn't that freaking amazing? Should I not say freaking? Is that fine? Is freaking fine? Are you recording right now? Everything you just saw in the video is stuff that we do at the Columbia Area Career Center. Isn't that awesome? In the next video you guys are going to watch, we're going to show you actual classroom footage of different things that are happening here at the Career Center. Be sure to pay attention to everything that you see there, and just know that there is something for everyone at the Columbia Area Career Center.
Arts and Communication, Business Management and Technology, Health Services, Human Services, Natural Resources and Agriculture, Engineering and Industrial Technology.
Hi, my name is Ibrahim. I'm from Rockbridge High School and it's go time. Hi, I'm Noah. I go to the Career Center. It's go time.
My name is Brody Binfield. I go to Rockbridge High School, and it's go time.
Hi, I'm Jalen from Rockbridge High School, and it's go time.
I'm Brooke from Hickman High School, and it's go time.
Hi, my name is Amaya, and I'm a student at the Columbia Area Career Center. So you're probably wondering, what in the world is a Career Center class, and why should I care? CACC is full of courses for high school students to help you explore your highest potential beyond high school graduation. It doesn't matter if you plan to further your education or to hit the workforce right after high school. We have courses that will make sure you're at the top of your game.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from Farley Colton, and it's go time.
I'm Cameron. I go to Battle High School, and it's go time.
Hi, I'm Daniel from Hickman High School, and it's go time.
Hi, my name is Sai Vasu, and I go to Hickman High School. It's go time.
Thinking of a career involving the highest level of technology? CACC is for you. We have instructor-led, state-of-the-art technology labs and software. We have courses that will explore engineering, robotics, digital media, programming, civil engineering, broadcast journalism, computer-aided design, geospatial technology, information technology, 3D animation, computer science, plus more. Thinking of a career involving hands-on technical knowledge? CACC has extensive labs to help you have the fullest experience possible in our classrooms. Our courses are about rolling up your sleeves and being involved in interactive environments. We have courses that will explore biomedical sciences, healthcare professions, teaching, culinary, natural resources, agriculture, emergency response, business and marketing, welding, construction, auto technology, plus more.
Alright, hi, my name is Moises. I'm from Rockbridge. It's go time.
My name is Hunter. I'm from Centralia, and it's go time.
Hi, my name is Haley Joyner. I'm from Rockbridge High School, and it's go time.
It's go time.
Hi, my name is Elliot. I go to Battle. It's go time.
Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm from Hickman High School, and it's go time.
CACC has been recognized on the state and national level for its high school courses, teachers, and administration. We also have student organizations to help build upon your classroom knowledge and to ramp up your resume. Explore organizations like FFA, Skills USA, DECA, Educators Rising, HOSA, and FBLA. These extra opportunities give you the chance to compete, travel, and to build upon your leadership skills. Here you have the world of opportunities right at your fingertips.
Hi, I'm Weston. I go to Battle High School, and it's go time.
Hi, I'm Matt from Battle High School, and it's go time.
Hi, I'm Maddie Stuber. I go to Rockbridge, and it's go time.
Thank you for engaging with CACC today. Now it's your turn to reach your fullest potential. CACC is here to help you. Remember, it's go time!
Hi, my name is Purity. I'm from Rockbridge, and it's go time.
I'm Beeler from Hickman High School. It's go time.
Hi, I'm Grant from Hickman High School, and it's go time.
I'm Kyla from Battle High School, and it's go time.
I'm Jacob from Battle High School, and it's go time.
You can explore, engage, learn new skills, be involved, and be your best. See you soon!
What a great video, am I right? Listen, today you're going to go home from school and your parents are going to say, "What did you do at school?" You know what you're going to say? You're going to say, "Nothing. It was boring. I hated it." No, you're not going to say that. Instead, what you're going to say is two things. Thing number one, that Mr. Sasser is like the coolest teacher ever, and I want to have him for digital media next year. That's thing number one. Thing number two, you're going to say, I can do anything that I want at the Career Center. I want to take classes there. I want to experience all there is to experience at the Columbia Area Career Center. And then you're going to remember that on January 14th, we've got the virtual showcase that you guys are all going to bring your parents to, and you get to meet different instructors and do different things and see all the cool stuff that the Career Center has to offer. I'll see you guys on January 14th.